Hello from Sandmax. Here we have the pentagram folding bag O2A, okay, pentagram collection. It comes in different color. I buy this color because I like green and brown bicycles, so it fits perfectly with them. So this is a foldable bag, as you see. We open it, tuck, open. Okay, perfect. This become a compartment of your bag, and here we have the bag. Of course, I do a mess, a disaster, because it's hour. I sleep 4 hours for make video yesterday, and today I come work and I get also the shout and the vrat, for work in peaceful, with someone shouting to you without sense. Okay, here we have the bag, and the interesting thing of this bag first is water resistant. Maybe it's also waterproof. The texture feels very, very resistant to water. We have 2 compartments here outside. You can put your key, your stuff you want to have fast. You can put in a pizza rack this, because you have 1, 2 point, 3, 4 point to connect. You see, 1 and 2, and also here other 2, 6 point to connect to your bag. You see, everything is, this strap you can take out, very simple. This tuck you take out, so it's a very nice bag. And you have also this, the handle to keep it. So I use this already. If you follow me in my Black Snow Dragoon Stella Rossa, and I like it, with my rear rack, a special rack made from an artisan here. So is a handy, practical bag for bikepacking, and also can be a backup bag on your trip. You take it out, you feel full of stuff, and you put on your rack. You don't need it, maybe for food, for water or something. You don't need it. You close it and you put in your other bags. So thank you so much. If you follow my channel, the video and everything, I please tell you, subscribe, like and share, because this channel have a lot of subscribers. We have a lot of visualization. We are almost at 1,100K now visualization, and if you use 1 second of your life to put a like and to subscribe, you just help me a lot without spend anything. It's just 1 second of your life. I spend more for make video, time and also money, because I don't have a sponsor. I really don't have a sponsor. I buy everything by myself because I like this stuff, and I like to show to you possibilities for you to sometimes also don't spend a lot of money and have a cool setup. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Bye bye. It's late.